Claymore here. This is just going to be a real short, quick video. Lately I've been watching lots of videos on Lee Enfields. This is a number 4 Mark 1 star. It's a long branch. And this is the original web sling. And what I've been seeing in a lot of videos that are otherwise really informative is people put these slings on the wrong way. And it's actually, anyways, so I'm going to show you the right way, because the wrong way is they run this end through this swivel like this, and then they hook this onto the webbing like that. You got this brass piece on the outside, and on the inside, which is going to rub against your shoulder when it's hanging on your shoulder, or it's going to rub against the wood. They've got these two claws. Why would you put them on the inside so it's going to scratch everything? That's not the right way to do it. The right way to do it is to run it from the outside, or from towards the inside, so that the short piece is on the inside, and this flat brass piece is going to be against the wood or against your shoulder. And then you just squeeze the web in like this. This is an old sling, and it's got a little bit soft, but just squeeze that together, pop that into place, done. Same thing on this end. If you run it from this end through, it's going to be this way. Your hooks are going to be scratching here. So you go from the outside to the inside, squeeze your webbing together. Usually you make this one a little shorter, but that's personal preference. And there you have it. Flat brass piece on the inside. Pretty simple. Oh, look at that. I've got a twist in it. Now I've got to take it apart and fix it. So I did it wrong, doing it right. There we go. No twists. Flat brass piece on the inside. That's the right way to put a web sling on a Lee Enfield. Don't scratch up your stock with these hooks. Keep them to the outside. Very simple. Thanks for watching.